morning class. How are you all? Hope all of you will be fine. Which period is this? English period. Which period is this? English period. And today we will do an interesting topic. Action word. What's our topic? Action words. You know what are action? Any word what we do is action. Any word like running, eating, playing. All these words are action words. Okay. What teacher is doing? Teacher is standing. It is also action. Okay student, now we will do an interesting activity of action words. I have placed some interesting flashcards. You have to match with the actions. Okay. Which word is this? Swimming. S-W-I-M-M-I-N-G. Swimming. Okay. Now we have to find that action. Oh, the boy is swimming. We have to come here and match with this action. Swimming. Next word is singing. Next word is singing. Where is singing? Yeah, this. Where is singing? This action is singing. The girl is holding the mic and she is singing. We have to match the word singing with this action. Singing. And the last word is driving. Last word is driving. We have to find this action in these flashcards. This action is here. Driving. The lady is driving. So we have to match this word with this action. Flashcard. Which action is this? The baby is swimming in the water. The baby is swimming. So we have to write here swimming. Which action is this? Swimming. Okay student, look at this action. A lady is driving a car. A lady is driving a car. In this picture, the action is driving. Which action is this? Driving. Student, in this picture, a girl is holding a mic and she is singing. In this picture, which action is this? Singing. Which action is this? Singing. All these words are action words.